let's get started with the basics. Information security. What is it really? It might sound like a big fancy term, but don't worry, it's super easy to get. So when we talk about information security, we are really talking about protecting stuff that's important to you. Think about it like locking your door when you leave your house. Why do you do that? To keep your stuff safe, right? Same thing with information security. Except instead of locking your house, you are locking up your personal info, like your passwords, your emails, even your credit card details. Basically, anything you don't want the bad guys to get their hands on. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. We call it the CI triad. And no, not the secret spy agency. It stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means keeping your info private. Integrity means keeping your info accurate, no tampering allowed. And availability? Well, that's making sure you can get your info when you need it. Pretty straightforward, right? So yeah, information security is all about protecting your personal stuff just like you would protect your home or your car. Cool? Alright, let's keep going. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.